Hello all, today we are going to learn IQ option 60 seconds strategy. Before starting, I must remind you. No matter how many strategies you have, the winning percentage is not 100%. In my experience, this strategy worked 90%. And 10% times bad luck. Okay, let's go. Set up these settings. Follow these steps correctly. Now, you can see white and red lines. According to this strategy, when the lines are cut, the market is understood and traded. See this cutting point? You can see the white line cuts the red line and goes up. When that time, we should trade higher. You can see it. This time, market goes up. This window shows that. How the white line cuts the red line and goes down. In this time, you should trade lower. First, try this on practice account. The important thing is, the same strategies do not work for everyone. Find a strategy that works for you. Goodbye everyone. Wish you Happy New Year.